to work.
You didn't try that screw yet, did you?
I did not.
It was terrible that screw didn't pick a hole anymore. Those threads suck.
Who did those threads?
Well, I know it's not the heater coil.
It's probably that poor old screw.
Yeah, it's a screw's a piece of crap.
It's about ready for retirement.
Yeah, it's good to go. Alright, we got everything else we need done. I think. With my goop.
For Harley parts, retirement just means more Loctite.
So we spent the last hour looking for hardware.
It's typical around here, huh?
You were hiding it all from me. I used to have a gasket board. I just have to do it by hand.
What happened to your like 20-year-old gasket board? It's right here, isn't it?
I stole it.
This guy?
She's hiding it from me.
Oh. It's hard to find over here, right next to my shoulder.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. Do you want it?
Too late now. What have you done?
You got one more gasket.
Just use this one. Gotta show people how to do stuff when they don't have all the right tools.
Oh, without their special 20-year-old gasket board.
That's right. I'm getting complaints about lack of tools.
Oh, people are like, how do we do this at home? I only have a hammer and a screwdriver.
The right lock washer? Kind of.
I mean, that's pretty much all you use around here is a hammer and a screwdriver. Look. There you go.
That's what they need. Sometimes together.
Yeah. For a while, I got by on a $15 drill press that was held together by Gorilla Tape and JB Weld.
There you go.
But that thing became too dangerous. Oh, that's your alignment device. How does this get aligned?
Does it look aligned to you?
No. So it has to be between there.
Does it look centered?
Good enough.
It's your shifting pattern, not mine. That's what phases the shift pattern.
Really?
Yep.
So next thing I know, fourth gear is going to be in the spot of first gear. If that's all off.
Now this affects how much it overshifts or undershifts the gear. You have to ratchet. Does it stop right there and pop back? Does it stop right on top and don't know where to go? Or does it go past center and it automatically drops in? That's what that tells you to do. So when you're lined up, you're lined up. When you're not lined up,
You're not.
you're not. There you go.
Simple as that.
What's that?
Goop. It's blue. I like that color.
Blue? Ah, sharp too. That's sharp goop. So, if you lubricate this stuff, it'll live longer.
Oh yeah. That way if it's real loose, it just slides a little better.
Usually. We just find it.
Right there.
Where's it go?
In there.
Let it go, what happens?
It flies out.
Probably.
You want to test it?
Because it's not dogged in yet. Like that.
Now you can let go.
Almost got it.
I got the camera in front of my face, so
It's a good thing.
yeah.
What do you do next?
Goop it some more.
Yep.
Loaded.
Because it works a lot. I don't get much lube.
Somebody told me that anytime you have a metal on metal contact that's not oiled, like regularly oiled, that it has to have grease. Is this true?
Could be.
I mean, makes sense.
Want to have something on there?
I thought, gosh, that's real simple, good advice, but am I gonna follow it?
No. You want to do that for?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your springy?
Springy. Yeah, it's gotta be one of these guys.
These are those fancy new ones you got. They need to be lubed too. Is that lubed?
That's quite a lot.
That's lubed now, huh?
Yeah, it is.
That's enough for that one?
I don't know.
How about this one? That's more lube than
It
that
probably needs more, honestly.
one. Looks like it's lubed to me.
I don't know if we get some more in
Oh, it's more lube.
there.
More lube. It's lubed now.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, where's this go?
Into that little recess. Have some fun in there.
It goes up and down.
Right on.
Where's this go?
Right in the one next to it.
Yeah, that's smart. No lube on it though. More lube.
Yeah, a little bit. That'll be good enough. And then the two ledges go inwards, huh?
Yep. There's no lube on there though, was there?
No.
There's some lube on that too. Never well lubed up. Here. Definitely got lube on there, right?
Mm-hmm. So you have to compress those two to slide it in, huh?
Requires a special tool to do all that.
Like your fingers?
Yeah. I used to do it the hard way.
With the actual tool?
I used to have baling wire, safety wire, tape,
Jeez, probably took a while just
zip
to
ties.
set it up, huh?
There's all kinds of crap I used to use.
Now you just do it with your fingers.
I do it with my fingers.
What took you so long to figure that out?
I had to get some fingers.
Oh. Those are hard to get these days.
Yeah, you try buying those at gym for a while? Couldn't help it.
Yeah. I've definitely looked for some of those Jim's fingers. I heard they're good.
Even Taiwan Teddy doesn't even have any. He's got everything.
I guess Harley, just got to get one of them old Harley fingers.
See how this works there?
If you can find them. Yeah, it doesn't work as well without your little board.
Yeah, but it does work. That's because it's a thin gasket. A lot of holes in it.
That's true.
It does do a job, Dad. Last one's hard.
So without all that crap in here, you think it might actually be possible that it could leak out of this thing?
Probably leak like a sieve now. Where's this go?
It goes on the round part.
It goes on the round part. On top where the grease is.
Yeah, it looks like this indent goes on this side.
So you want the end to go like that?
Mm-hmm.
So it matches?
I think so.
Man, you want everything done. How about some grease?
That would help.
It was looking a little dry in here.
Yeah,
See the rub mark?
I do see it.
That's probably what needs more grease.
You know what baffles me about this stuff the most is that the Harley factories were pumping these things out.
That's why they didn't make very many bikes.
Because it's a lot of work, huh?
Yeah. Where's your long screw?
Right there.
Where's your short screw?
Right there. Oh, that's another one. Maybe it's over here somewhere.
Maybe they're all the same on yours. That looks longer though.
Is there supposed to be a longer one
Depends if you want to have a nut on it or not.
on the back side? Does this go through? No.
You're supposed to. It says special. There's a hole out. There it goes.
That hurt.
Looks like it's almost stripped.
Yeah, it got like probably 4 threads in there.
Shit, things are short. Yeah, there's not any threads holding this thing together. Look at that thing.
That's a really comforting thought.
We don't torque these very much.
Oh man.
Maybe that's why they had all that red silicone and everything.
Yeah.
It's holding it together. Back up, Sam. You're way too close. I'll get hit.
I'm trying to give the viewers what they want.
Remember, when your TV screen's big, when you're really close, it really looks too big.
Well, they can hold it further away from themselves.
Now, if you're looking on a cell phone, then you like the big picture, but if you're watching on the big screen TV, you don't like it. So see how much too long that is?
Yeah.
So this takes a short one, not a long one.
So we gotta swap it around, huh?
Which one was the worst one you had?
Which one was?
Yeah,
They're probably all about the same.
that was definitely short.
I do remember that not being there now.
Now this screw looks a lot better, it's longer.
But I think the nut was actually on a different part. I think the nut was on a different position of that drum.
This is too big. Yep. Now your screws are kind of, not many threads, so you gotta be careful.
Is it just me, or is it true that you need a lot more variety of tools to work on the Sportster than Big Twin?
No. They all take their specialty tools.
I feel like you can get away with
See, this is a little bit on the loose side when you have it in there.
a little loose.
I think that's why your handlebars are falling off.
Yeah.
That's your handlebar?
Mm-hmm. That's actually what I hold on to when I ride.
It's pretty loose.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where's your Loctite?
It's right there. Got a nice selection.
Looks like my Loctite. I think it's almost the same.
Gasket. Is that some
Where's your
kind
Allen
of...
at?
The other one?
Where's your Allen?
I don't know. I don't associate with Allens.
Give me Allen's over there.
Oh, you mean these guys? Perhaps this one too?
Maybe the one that fits. Appears to be close.
Mm-hmm.
Like a little short. It's probably because your threads are a little screwed up.
That's what Loctite's for.
See, I've got any threads holding it.
So just say a prayer for it.
You really need to have longer Allens. Those are too short.
I'll just add that to my list of prayers before I ride every time. Please let me get there safe. Please not have any parts fall off my body. You see all that crap falling out of there? Jeez, I wonder who put that up there.
I was flattening your plate.
Oh, you got another 1/8 of a turn out of that.
So one of your problems is you're hitting up here, which keeps it bowed up a little bit.
Oh, so that's why you were smacking it.
Well, that's more about this side, but this side has a problem too.
That sounded pretty solid.
So I've been known to beat on things every now and then just for the hell of it.
Oh, just because they don't even have to give you attitude, huh?
Yeah, just because I like to.
I'm the same way.
Okay, that's pretty tight. That's pretty tight. See the Allen right here?
Mm.
See when it goes way over here, see it's tight.
Yeah.
Now you permanently bend your wrench over torqued it.
Yeah, I go through wrenches
Alright,
pretty
those
crazy.
got tight. You know, these are good Allens. You gotta quit buying those Harbor Freight specials. And,
I don't go there. I strictly go to Ace.
yeah, well, maybe you should get better ones. So where'd this one come from? Because this,
It was on the ground, on the table.
snag it from somewhere else.
It's just sitting there.
Come from over there.
Does
Okay.
it shift?
I don't know, does it?
Oh. Now it's in fourth. Now it's in first.
Wrong angle.
Oops.
You're breaking stuff already.
I haven't broke anything yet today.
You were burning up my camera earlier.
It's because you put the wrong battery in it.
No, it's eBay special. China did that.
China.
They're fighting against a Japanese camera.
China.
Yeah, they don't like the China. China and Japanese don't get along.
No. My grandmother's from Taiwan, and she always talks shit about Japanese people. I always tell her, Grandma, it's not nice. I know a lot of cool Japanese people.
Okay,
Can't tell Grandma anything,
we're
though.
neutral.
All right. We're coasting.
Does it shift?
Let's see if I can do it with one hand.
Nope. Okay, look up.
No, I'm too weak.
All right. Next.